Okay, if your house is feeling like it's holding you hostage, you are not alone. I've learned that sometimes the mess is more about the mental clutter than the actual physical dirt. So today we are going to do a judgment-free cleaning session where we tackle any cleaning, organizing, declutter, anything that you need to check off your to-do list. And I'm going to be right here along the way, not only to give you continued motivation, but also as a friend to hang out with and make the entire process so much more enjoyable. Whatever cleaning projects you're tackling today, I just want to remind you that the hardest part is getting started. And a lot of times our mind makes the mess feel so much larger than it actually is. But once you get started, you start building up momentum and it actually becomes enjoyable because you start to see progress, and slowly but surely you are going to end up with a super clean space and in turn a super clean mind, which is the ultimate goal.
You give me hope, something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
If you see me continuing to look over to my side and look like I'm talking to somebody, I promise I'm not talking to myself, although that's not completely out of the realm of possibility for me, to be honest. But I was talking with my sister Annie. She was over hanging out with me for the day, and Louie, my son, is over there as well. Not that he knows what I'm saying because he's only 4 months, but it was really nice to have some company. Most of the time when I'm cleaning, it's just me and Louie in the house, and I'm listening to a Clean With Me video or something, so it was really nice today to have my sister there to be able to chat while I was getting stuff done. Now we will be coming back to the kitchen, but for now we're going to move over to the living room because as you can see, this needed a ton of work as well. You may also notice I changed outfits. Obviously my pajamas were super comfy, but they don't make me feel productive. They don't make me feel my best when I'm trying to get stuff done. So I did change into a matching comfy set, still just as comfortable, but makes me feel a little more put together. So one of my top tips to get your cleaning done is put on something that makes you feel at least a little bit put together, and you're going to be so much more motivated.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
Okay, so as promised, we are back in the kitchen to finish tidying up in here. You can see I popped that pizza box in the fridge. Annie and I had gotten hungry and we decided that a little 11 a.m. leftover pizza sounded really amazing. And not only do I love having my sister over because she's like one of my best friends and I just love hanging out with her, but it's also super helpful that she's able to hang out with Louie so that I'm not constantly being disrupted. While I love being disrupted by him, it just makes it a little easier to get things done when I can stay focused on cleaning.
Take me down, every time I walk the one
Just popping in here really quick to offer the perspective that I'm not just wiping down my counters here, I am resetting the energy of my home. And I know that may sound a little odd, but I think it's also incredibly motivating to think of your cleaning as not only the actual physical tidying up, but the bigger goal here is to create a home that feels inviting and calming and peaceful, because that truly is the home that you deserve to spend your time in. Alrighty, the downstairs is officially done, and it is time to bring some of these bags upstairs so that we can unpack. And starting off in Louie's room, of course, I got to open the blinds to let the light in and turn on his little Christmas tree lights. But question for you, are you like me where whenever you go on a trip and you do laundry afterwards, you pretty much wash everything that you brought with you, whether it's clean or dirty? Because I definitely do that, and 100% for Louie. Once his clothes have been packed, they are being washed before they go back in his drawers. And just like that, Louie's nursery is clean. We will be back in here later to do some folding of the laundry that is now in the washing machine. But first, we are going to head over to the bedroom because, like every other place in this house, it has a ton of cleaning to do, and specifically unpacking, because Tim and I had been in Vermont the previous weekend visiting my mother-in-law. And you may notice that I put a lot of our clothes back directly in the closet, whereas I just talked about how I always like to wash it after a trip. But we did do a bunch of laundry at our house before we left, so most of this stuff was already clean.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
If you were to ask me what my number one favorite motivation tip is or mindset switch, it would be this. Do it for future you. If you're trying to motivate yourself to do something like cleaning or organizing or, I don't know, calling to make a dentist appointment, whatever it is that you really don't feel like doing in that moment, chances are you're not going to feel like doing it later either. So instead of just pushing it off, think of it as having respect for your future self and doing something that future you will look back and be like, wow, I am so grateful that I got this done. And oftentimes when I'm just feeling a little lazy, not wanting to do whatever productive thing I know I need to get done, if I think about it like this, that gives me the push that I need to get up off my butt and get to work. Reminding myself of how good it feels once my space is clean is typically the number one thing to motivate me to get up off my butt and start the process. So it felt really, really nice once the bedroom was done. And now we can head over to the bathroom. Very minimal cleaning that I needed to do in here, but just putting a few things away, wiping off the counters. I don't know if you could tell, but the drawer is very, very cluttered. And that will be tackled in an upcoming Declutter With Me video because there are a lot of spaces in my home that need to be reorganized, and a lot of stuff can get thrown out, especially before 2026. So if you are new here and you're interested in more cleaning and decluttering and organizing videos from me, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And now moving back to the nursery, as you can tell from the window, it is a few hours later. It is nighttime now, but the laundry was done and it is time to fold everything and put it away. And just a note that Louis's drawers are also going to need to be decluttered soon because he is growing so rapidly and a ton of his clothes don't fit him anymore. So I'll be putting those into storage and replenishing the drawers with clothes that do fit him. So that's in an upcoming video. And that concludes all of the cleaning tasks that we were going to get done today. If you are still cleaning and you'd like to continue your cleaning along with me, I would absolutely love that. So I will have my Clean With Me as a mom and my regular Clean With Me playlist from before I had my son linked below, as well as on the end screen here. Again, I'd love to have you subscribe if you're interested in more videos from me. Thank you so, so much for taking some part of your day to hang out with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, love you, bye.